Hey guys, welcome to another build. Today we have a testimonial with Diana, one of our clients. So we got the system. This is an all white system, 2 bay. So a couple questions, Diana. How was your experience from the sales perspective in dealing with the virtual calls and also the design and getting everything integrated to accommodate your outdoor space in your house here?
We had a great experience. I just want to give you a quick history. This patio area is south facing. We get sun all day. So we've looked at awnings. We've had 2 huge umbrellas. We looked at getting a full porch up here. And I just couldn't do it with the porch because I love to have some light up here and in the house. So we finally found Breslow after tons of research. The process was great. Dana and his crew, you guys both came out and took a bunch of measurements, did a bunch of drawings for us. We got so excited, and process going early June. It was really quick. I think the guys were here 3 or 4 days. Very easy. Everyone was respectful, and the place was left spotless, and we love it. We absolutely love it. And now we can have sun if we want sun, and we can sit out here in the rain. We can close it, and the gutters work great. And that's what my kids like more than anything. I have kids that live in the city. They come and work here for the day. And on a rainy day, they'll sit out here with their laptops and work. So it's now a year-round area for us.
You said, so you're able to let the sun in and into the house too. Like we have the louvers partially open now.
Right.
So you get some sunlight in as opposed to a fixed roof where it just blocks it off completely, but you're always rainproof too.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And there's 3 different settings. So this is open partially, as you can see. We usually leave it here. And then if we're gone for the day and it starts to rain, the sensors close it for us. So these cushions, I used to have to shuffle cushions all day. I mean, it's really been wonderful. It made the summer great. It really has.
So how often do you guys use this outdoor space as opposed to when you didn't have a louvered roof?
Good question. So we could not use this on a hot, when it was over 80, we could not come out here. If it was over 80 sunny, we couldn't use it. So we would either be in the pool or we would be in the house. We couldn't hang out here. So we just had a party here 2 weeks ago. All my high school friends came, and my husband, it was 85. My husband and I both said, if we didn't have this, we couldn't have housed everybody up here. It wouldn't have worked. It was great. So you can use the pool, then you can come up here, and we even have a fan. We have the fan going, which is great. Not only does it provide a little circulation, but also, but we've noticed keeps some of the bugs off. Yeah, it does help with the bugs. So it's been great. The lights, my husband loves the lights. I like it dark out here. He likes the lights on a little bit. So that was another feature that we added. And yeah, it's been perfect for our family. It was perfect.
So I always like to ask, is there anything you would have done additional to this that you wouldn't have done before? Like I know at first we were talking about doing a shade back there behind the grill.
Right. We might need to add a shade in the future.
Okay.
I think we've talked about maybe we might add a shade. We haven't really, it's been okay. That tree is going to get relocated, and so we might need a shade.
You're going to have a lot of afternoon sunlight. The tree grew a lot,
exactly. Yeah. It's getting too big. So those are things that we can do after the fact, but for us, it's been great the way it is. I love that it's so tall. It doesn't feel closed in at all. That was my biggest fear about putting something out here, is that I just didn't want to feel, some porches you feel it's just not open.
Claustrophobic.
Exactly. This you still feel open, and when you're in the house and look out, it's still open because it is so tall. So it's been, we love it. Everyone that comes is like, what is this? We are helping you, I think, with promoting the product because we're telling a lot of people about it.
We love the honesty, and we love the feedback, whether it's positive or negative feedback, because it also helps us to build a better product and build a finished product that accommodates not just one type of client, but different types of clients. So we're in the business of always striving to do better, and we appreciate all the feedback.
The customer service, I'm going to tell you, Breslow followed up with phone calls, texts, emails, checking in, seeing how the process was going, but they wanted to make sure the entire project was complete. And we really do appreciate that. You know that. And men that were here at the house, I never felt like sometimes you have workers at the house and you're nervous about it. Leaving the dogs out. We had dogs running around. We had, some teenagers here and there. And so I appreciate that you guys were always respectful, always professional, and clean, and we're very grateful, and I'm really glad that we found you guys. So thank you.
Great. No, thank you. Thank you for letting us provide you this awesome space to accommodate your beautiful house, your beautiful pool, your patio area. Thanks again, Diana.
Yes,
I
we'll
hope
keep
you guys
posted.
love it. If there's anything else that you guys need from us, please, we're always here to help.